Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we are going to talk about what should you expect at a deposition. If you have filed a lawsuit after an accident, you might be required to provide a deposition to the opposing party. It is important to know what to expect during a deposition and be adequately prepared. How you act and what you say during your deposition could have a big impact on your outcome of your case. The next discussion is about what is a deposition. There are many phases to any type of lawsuit, including personal injury cases. One of these is the discovery phase. Discovery is the formal exchange of information between the two parties in a lawsuit. It allows both sides to know what witnesses and evidence will be presented at a trial. This information will be used by your attorney in preparation for a trial, or as part of any settlement negotiation. Depositions are part of discovery process. A deposition is an out-of-court testimony given under oath by any person involved in a case. They usually take place in an attorney's office with your attorney, the other side's attorney, and a court reporter present. Many depositions are videotaped. Anything you say during your deposition can be used as evidence in a court. Your deposition will be taken after a lawsuit is filed but before the court date. The defense does not have to support or obtain a court order. They only need to send you a notice of deposition. Once you have received the notice, you will be required to participate in the deposition. Failing to do so could prevent your case from moving forward. The next is about what happens during the deposition. The deposition is similar to a court trial, except that you don't appear in front of judge or jury. The person giving the deposition, in this case you, is known as the deponent. Once you have been sworn in, the attorney will ask you a series of questions and your responses will be recorded. A deposition usually begins with the opposing attorney asking for some general background information, such as your name, your age, where you live, your occupation, and etc. If you are giving a deposition in a Jones Act lawsuit or other maritime injury claim, you may also expect to be asked about the vessels you were serving on, what type of vessels it was, your position on the crew, and similar relevant questions. Next, the question will get a little more specific if you have filed a personal injury claim. The attorney will inquire about your health before the accident and any prior medical conditions you may have. You will be asked to describe the details of your accidents. For instance, if you are injured in a car or a truck accident, you will probably be asked how the accident occurred, what you were doing when accident happened, how fast you were going at the time of the accident, weather and road condition at the time of the accident, where you would be prior to the accident, where you were headed at the time of the accident, your mental state at the time of the accident, the names of any witnesses. Answer the questions as truthfully as possible. If you don't remember or don't remember the accident clearly, say so. After this, the other side's attorneys will ask you about your injuries. They will ask you, how were you injured in the accident? What is the extent of your injuries? How soon were you treated after the accident? Where were you treated? Who treated you? Were you admitted to the hospital? How long did you stay in the hospital? If your injuries require ongoing medical treatment, what is your doctor's long-term prognosis of your condition? Finally, you will be asked how your accident injuries have physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially affected your life. This will give you the opportunity to describe how your life has changed since the accident, including any limitation you have experienced, changes in income, economic losses or damages, as well as any pain and suffering. Preparing for your deposition, it is important to be prepared when you deliver your deposition. Anything you say under oath at the deposition can be used against you at a trial. To protect your rights during a deposition, it is vital that you not provide false or exaggerated testimony, guess or speculate when answering a question, argue, act aggressively, or use profanity towards the opposing side, volunteer informations, provide privileged attorney or client information, paraphrase a conversation, make light of situation. Your attorney should tell you what to expect in your deposition and how to avoid any mistake that you could affect the outcome of your claim. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need information about maritime topics, you are in the right channel. Why is that so? Because in this channel, we talk about it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then do the same thing if you have a question, guys. You can also drop your question in the comment section. Later when we have the answer and time, we will answer your question. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics. So when you share this video to them, it means you already help them to get through their problems. Maybe your family, friends, or your loved one needs information, for example, like the Jones Act, Death on a High Seas Act, LHWCA, or even they want to know about maritime law in the region. So you can just share this video to them and they can choose the information that they need in this channel. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in another video.